The importance of classification schemes are exemplified by ones utilized in manufacturing operation, which enable managers to apply marketing management strategies and tools which transcend industry divisions. Accordingly, Selfstroh, Fitzgerald, and Johnston and Voss affirm that a service typology which transcends narrow industry boundaries lead to a better understanding of the management method and the techniques appropriate to each type of service. Considering the classification schemes which address productivity management in service, a very useful model is the one proposed by Skinner, which has its origins in 1986. Skinner based on manufacturing basis processes such as job shops, batch, line flow, and continuous flow operations classify the service based on two dimensions. First, labor intensity. Ratio of the labor cost incurred to the value of the plant and equipment. Customization for and interaction with customer. This attribute considers the combination of the degree to which the customer interact with the service processes and the extent to which the service is customized for the customer. Skinner proposed a four-way classification scheme in which these two dimensions were combined using two levels each, high or low. This combination results in four service processes categories: service factory, service shop, mass service, and professional service. The service manager will be challenged based on the different categories of this matrix. Schemers also affirm that there is an attraction for the diagonal of this matrix in order to reduce the degree of customer interaction and service customization and to lessen the level of labor intensity. The digital attractiveness was justified by better control. The original idea of the digital related to control had its importance questioned by Taylor and Webster. Skinner, to solve this question, revised his original classification scheme from 1986 to explain why some companies have sustained their competitive advantage for decades. According to Skinner, these companies accomplished this advantage because they applied to the swift even flow theory in their operations. This theory holds that the throughput time is the most relevant measure for productive. Therefore, the fast and more continuous the flow of the materials or information through a process, the more productive it is. Other possible cuts to productivity enhancement like automation, standardization, and information technology only influence productivity because they affect at the speed and the variability of the production flow. Therefore, attractiveness for the digital becomes the path to increase productivity, which can be achieved by reducing variation and throughput time. Based on the swift even flow theory, subtitles the labor intensity by the relative throughput time. Skinner also subtitles the customization for and interaction with customer degree of the variation that occur in the provision of a service. The customization for and the interaction with customer are highlighted under this degree of variation concept since they are common sources of variation and they are unquestioned drag on service productivity. This modification led to a change in this matrix per purpose, which starts to analyze the productivity and not necessary profitability. Accordingly, to increase productivity, we ought to reduce the degree of variation and the relative throughput time.